Hey, y'all. Let's face it, being a prepper sucks a lot of the time. Deciding to take on a prepper lifestyle is more than a hobby, it's a commitment to a distinctive way of life that many outside the community might not fully understand. So, we're going to break down some of the core aspects of prepping, each highlighting a unique challenge or a necessity inherent in this self reliant way of living. And actually, this might be a good video to share with family or friends who do not understand how difficult being prepared is. Building a community is key, of course. It is 100% the cornerstone of all of this. No matter how much you prepare, one truth stands out. You cannot go it alone forever. Surviving any major disaster requires a support network. You are going to need people who can watch your back, share resources, and help rebuild everything when it's lost. Building a community of trusted individuals is not just helpful, it is essential for survival. And of course, mental fortitude is also required. Constantly thinking about potential disasters isn't easy on your mental health. It's tough to always consider the worst case scenarios like societal collapses or natural calamities without feeling a little bit stressed. And dealing with family members who think you're either a little bit odd or just downright crazy doesn't help. It's crucial to find a healthy balance. Yes, be prepared, but also make time to unwind and enjoy life without that shadow of impending doom all the time. Prepping is not a quick fix. It takes serious time to become competent in survival skills and all the other knowledge that is necessary to live a post SHTF life. Skills like gardening, water purification, and managing livestock, those aren't learned overnight. Expect years of trial and error. It's about long term learning and everyday discipline. There's no instant prepper transformation after you watch a couple of YouTube videos. And of course, it is a financial commitment. Prepping involves significant expenses, from stocking up on essentials like food and medical supplies to investing in tools and possibly self defense items. The costs add up. And once again, this financial drain on your resources can cause tension, of course, between you and loved ones who just don't understand why you spend so much on things that you're not going to use right now. And while there are budget friendly options out there, like buying secondhand or prioritizing essential purchases, getting fully equipped requires a financial investment. Expect to be misunderstood. Choosing to prepare for the worst often leads to misunderstandings. Preppers can be seen as extreme or paranoid by those who are information ignorant or just don't believe in the possibility that the world as we know it is on the brink of imploding. Friends might think it's odd that you keep a bug out bag ready or that you prioritize learning survival skills over more mainstream hobbies. Just face it, it's part of the territory. And lifestyle changes are inevitable. Adopting a prepper mindset means making significant lifestyle adjustments. It's not just about collecting stuff or buying stuff, it's about embracing a simpler, more deliberate way of living. This might mean less dependence on modern conveniences and more on skills that our grandparents or great grandparents probably took for granted. One that a lot of us have to work on: keeping fit is fundamental. Physical and mental fitness is non negotiable. You need to be in good shape to handle whatever comes your way, from bugging out with a heavy pack to managing day to day tasks in a potentially harsh new world. Regular exercise and a focus on health are vital. And of course, operational security is a must. When you've built up a stockpile of supplies, keeping it secure becomes a priority. You'll need to be cautious about who knows about your preparations. And this includes family and close friends. They need to understand that discussing your preps and your plans puts you all at risk, even in a smaller event like protests that might turn violent. If people know you are the one with the weapons, you may get some very unwelcome visitors. The more people who know, the higher the risk of becoming a target, whether for theft or for more reliance from others in times of crisis. Embracing the prepper's path. Choosing the prepper's path is about so much more than preparing for the end of the world. It's a proactive approach to life that focuses on being independent and resilient as possible, whatever the future holds. This lifestyle isn't for everyone, but for those who choose it, it offers a profound sense of security and preparedness. And just remember when the arguments start happening or continue to happen, or people think there's something wrong with you, or you must be a conspiracy nut, there are a lot of us on this path to being prepared, and our group is growing daily. So let me know what you think of the new style of video. I want to hear from you as always. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it. And if you really like it, subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye bye.